Hello, traders. Today is Wednesday, July 2nd. This is my analysis for the Euro Yen, and we are on the 1 hour time frame. So, with the Euro Yen, for several weeks now, I've been recommending to go long on pullbacks. There was a nice long yesterday, there was a nice long on Monday, there was a nice long on Friday, there was a nice long on Thursday, and there was a nice long last Tuesday. So if you've been following along with my videos, hopefully you've been trading in the right direction because it's been very, very clear. If we go up to the weekly, my target is still the 78% Fibonacci, right around the 171 area. So definitely still looking for longs on the 1 hour time frame. I am definitely not trying to go long right here to potentially the top of a move. But if it makes some sort of a 1, 2, 3 way pullback, 1, 2, 3 way pullback, 1, 2, 3 way pullback, especially if it's a Fibonacci bounce, then that's exactly what I would be looking for more long opportunities. So for me personally, the strategy right now is to either be long from yesterday, waiting for an exit, or the strategy is to be patiently waiting for another pullback to go long again. I definitely wouldn't be trying to go short when the daily, weekly, and monthly is in a uptrend. So anyways, don't forget to check out my free Discord channel linked down here in the corner. Take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.